What's up, y'all? It is your boy Dontavius back again with another sprite animation reaction. So today I got for you guys is xenophanes versus furnace by Drag Graphic. I hope y'all the video, leave a like, subscribe, turn the notifications on. I don't have much else to say, but yeah. Peace out. Let's react. Nice intro. Oh, we got praise.
You really like scrambling your own plants, don't you?
Oh, wow. This place is so boring. Maybe it's time to see a new horizon. Phase 2? You know what I'm saying? Oh, what is that? Oh. Today we'll have a nice dinner with 2 hedgehogs. That was unexpected, but invisibility of the hedgehog doesn't have to do with the time frames. Oh, furnace. It's time I'll make sure you're dead, Robotnik. What makes you think that, hedgehog? Ooh, right in the head. Ooh. Oh my god. Sonic KXD with the song. Oh. Oh my god. Ooh. Ain't xenophanes just like a version of Sonic KXD but only for rap? Furnishing him with the JoJo. Ooh. Furnace with the kick. Oh my god, with the uppercut. Majin, hello man. Friend, Kelly. What are you? Tell me what you're doing here. Short and direct, you become a criminal. That's your doing. And there's the fact that creepy reality rules crime. I am a god. I'm above the law. Well, you've been warned. Return to your reality. Ooh. Oh my god. Dude is weeping. Ooh. Super Saiyan. How is this possible? What are you? I'm a god. Ugh. Hold on, wait, what's going to happen next? What's literally... Oh, enough of this idiocy. Amy? What happened to you? Oh, Sonic holding him back. Ooh. What is that? This time has come. Receive your punishment. With so many options in which you will be at. You will keep quiet and just accept your sentence. Neither you or anyone else can make me weak. Dang. An evil spirit did the cards to predict this. Oh wow. Alright, so that was Furnace versus xenophanes. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, turn the notification on, and remember to stay gaming.